Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to Science. This week we're going to continue talking about basic needs, and today we're talking about money, which is what our parents use to take care of some of our basic needs that we have, like shelter, food, and drinks. And we're going to read this book called What is Money Anyway? Let's read. Money. Look, someone dropped a piece of paper on the sidewalk. That's not just any paper, that's money. Our money is made of metal and paper. In the past, people used stones, beads, and other things for money. This label says Native Americans used beads called wapum as money. We use dollars and cents in the United States. Here's dollars, and here's some cents. Coins and bills. These are US coins. Each one is worth a certain amount. How much is each of these coins worth? A penny is worth 1 cent. A nickel is worth 5 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. A quarter is worth 25 cents. Here is a dollar bill and some dollar coins. A dollar equals 100 cents. And here's some dollar coins. There's the bill. Bills also come in $5 and $10, and they come in $20, $50, and $100. How is money made? The US government makes our money. Coins are made at a special factory. It's called the US Mint. Coins are made in this building. US bills are made at a place with a long name. It's the Bureau of Engraving and Printing. The label here says this worker is checking some newly printed dollar bills. Most dollar bills wear out in about 2 years. The old bills are shredded. Workers make new bills to replace them. Coins last longer than bills, but sometimes coins need to be replaced. Old coins are melted down to make new ones. These coin blanks will be stamped to make new coins. Let's trade. What is so special about money? It's just paper and metal, right? What makes money special is how we use it. We can trade money for things we want and need. This label says money can be traded for food at the grocery store. People use money to buy goods and services. Goods are things we eat, wear, and use. Services are work that people do for others. These groceries are goods. Sometimes people trade for what they want. They exchange one good or service for another good or service. People trade goods at swap meets. You might trade with a friend. Maybe you have a cookie. Your friend has an ice cream cone. You decide to swap. Is that a fair trade? Now, swap means to trade. These kids are trading toys. Each person must have something the other person wants. What if you have a broccoli cookie? Would you find someone who wants to trade? Both people expect to be happy after they trade. These boys are happy with the baseball cards they ended up with after a trade. Money makes it easier. Most of the time, people trade money for goods and services. Money makes trading easier. This man did work on the other man's house in exchange for money. All right, boys and girls, we're going to stop right here and finish our book tomorrow. Thank you for joining me today for Science.